All right, so Franklin, here we go. Reviewing from yesterday, 3.2. I said yesterday we were going to continue 3.2. It's 3.3. But once again, let's actually read the math language. Solve a subtraction equation to find the missing part. This one's not as formal, is it, as the one that we did in 3.1. But same kind of thing here. You know what to do. Match the model to the correct equation. You know how to do that. Number 6, pause if you haven't gotten here yet. You have 10 toys. Your friend borrows some of them. You have 7 left. How many toys did your friend borrow? And then down here, review and refresh. All right. 3.3, solve take-from problems. Again, just like before, with start unknown. So yesterday, we didn't know what was getting taken away. Today, we don't know how much is there to start with. So if you think back to those linking cubes, that means if we know what we end up with and we know what we take away, when we don't know what we start with, it's the altogether number. We don't know what we start with. And you can see it right here. Solve a subtraction equation to find the whole, right, our altogether number. So use counters to model each problem. Do actually grab your linking cubes. Do it with linking cubes. 3 plus 4, just like we did this a fact family yesterday. So get a tower with 3 and a tower with 4. Put them together. You know how much that is. And then down here, what minus 3 leaves 4 behind, right? Addition and subtraction, they're just opposites. We can use one to know the other. So you've done this sort of thing before, right? 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 minus 3 leaves 2. That's what you're working with today. Here, they're giving you the dots. Obviously, you're not going to put the dots in here for your altogether amounts. Go ahead and write the numerals for that. And then just plug those numbers into these equations down here. Continuing on down here, take a look at number 7 carefully. This word is not circled the equation, but equations that match the model. So there is going to be more than one that matches the model. Use this altogether amount here of 8 as your big clue, right? If this one here is showing the altogether amount is 10, that's not it. All right. A group of students are at a playground. We don't know how many are there. 2 of them leave, 8 are left. How many were there to start with? And then go ahead and write the subtraction equation. Even though I think you could write addition, but they say subtraction. So go ahead and do the subtraction equation. You have some strawberries, we don't know how many. You eat 9 of them, 0 are left. Not too tricky, right? Write your subtraction equation, write how many strawberries.